I feel like soupy today. Bean paste soup is a very popular soup you can find easily at the Korean barbecue restaurant.